Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost Bacho and I am back again with another wonderful opportunity for all of you. This notification is coming from IIT Delhi. They are looking for research fellowship candidates for a project that is funded by DRDO, and in this video I'll be telling you all the details mentioned in this letter for you to apply. Okay. Now applications are invited from Indian nationals for project appointment under the following project. The project appointment will be contractual. It will be renewable yearly. Every year your contract will be renewed or up to the duration of the project. Either they'll renew it every year or till the project ends, they will give you a contract, whichever is earlier, whichever is first one. Now, candidate would be working under Professor Krishna Bala Subramaniam and a group of faculty members towards the development of SNSPD, superconducting single photon detector. Okay. And you need to conduct electromagnetic simulation or nanoscale device fabrication, which is a good kind of a work, which is a very good job for a electronics engineer, and testing at low cryogenic temperature because superconductors work at low temperatures. Now it is open for 4 years and it can be converted to a PhD program, which is a great opportunity for you, because if you work for 4 years here and you convert to a PhD, you will get a degree as well as you will get experience. Now funding agency is DRDO, Ministry of Defense. Name of the project investigator Krishna Balasubramaniam. Department of Material Science and Engineering up to 15th of December 2026. Duration of the project. Stipend is fellowship stipend is 31,000 per month plus HRA at 24%. You can add 24% to this. It will come somewhere around 38,000. Now you need to have a first class postgraduate degree in physics, graduate or postgraduate degree in electrical engineering or material science engineering, BTech, MSc, MTech in physics, electrical engineering, nanotechnology, material science, mechanical from a reputed institute or university with a NET GATE qualification experience. You need to have a GATE score. In electrical measurement of nanoscale devices, thin film deposition will be given preference. Requirement of NET for the selection may be relaxed for candidates who have graduated from a central funded technical institute. So that is centrally funded technical institute people do not need to have a GATE score. They just need to have a CGPA of more than 8 or more than 80% marks. So if you wish to apply for this job, beta, you can visit the website ird.iitd.ac.in/rec. Okay, ird.iitd.ac.in/rec of IIT Delhi, and you need to submit the duly filled form with complete information regarding your qualification, percentage of marks, work experience, with and mail with the advertisement number in the subject line to Professor Krishna B. Balasubramaniam. You have to mail your application to the professor, and in the subject you have to mention this advertisement number. Okay. Now IIT Delhi can fix the higher criteria for eligible candidate. If they get more candidate, they might increase the criteria and they might select even higher qualified candidate. Okay. And now the requirement of the project post and the name will be displayed on their web link ird.iitd.ac.in/shortlisted along with the online interview details. So the interview will be conducted online. Just it is the application screening plus interview. Only shortlisted candidate will be informed about the online interview. Okay. In case any clarification is required related to the eligibility criteria, you may contact Professor Krishna Balasubramaniam on this email ID bkrishna@msc.iitd.ac.in. 5% relaxation of marks may be granted to SC/ST candidate in the selection of a retired superannuated graduate government employee. The salary will be fixed as per the prevailing IRD norms. Okay, the last date is 24th of August 5 p.m. So in case you are interested in this project, you are interested in the stipend and the kind of work that you will be doing, make sure that you apply before 24th of August. And in case you are a GATE 24-25 candidate preparing for GATE and you want to prepare with me, you can right now become a part of our batches at 20% price drop, 20% flat discount along with the free test series. You just have to visit our app or website, or you can contact us on our WhatsApp number 7089047561. In case you have any query related to this notification, make sure that you put that in the comment section. I read each and every comment of yours and I'll be reverting to every comment that you put out there. So make sure that you put in the comment section. I'll revert to your queries. Thank you. Take care.